I picked up the DJI Mini 4 Pro last week, and this is the first drone I've ever flown. After 20 hours of flight time, this is my experience as a new pilot. First off, I'm following all pertinent laws and regulations, and you should too. The info is pretty easy to find, and I'll put a link below. We had poor weather for a few days, so I took the time to read the manual, watch some videos in the DJI Fly app. But basically, these two joysticks control all the flight controls. You're not going to accidentally fly away or lose control by touching anything else on here. I felt reassured during my first flight, as the DJI Mini 4 Pro does come with 360-degree obstacle avoidance, which I did test out. The return to home feature automatically flies the drone back to its takeoff position, which is nice if you're low on battery or you happen to lose visual sight. I'd also purchased the DJI Refresh beforehand, which is basically a damage or loss warranty. Pictures and videos look great, even without skilled editing. Still working on it. It can shoot 4K HDR video at 60 frames per second. It's got a 48 megapixel camera. It's got more than enough capability for what I need. The controller indicated a flight time of 30 to 35 minutes at full battery, though I haven't, dared to push it on that yet. Usually landing after 15 to 20 minutes. Overall, I'm really impressed with this drone as a new pilot. I found it easy to fly even in windy conditions. The obstacle avoidance with the return to home puts my mind at ease that I'm not going to crash. And the DJI Refresh is there even if I do, somehow manage to damage it. If you're thinking of buying your first drone, I'd highly recommend the DJI Mini 4 Pro. All right, bye.